Are you looking for the best PC cases on the market? Look no further than Cooler Master. Our top 5 cases for latest model are sure to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. From sleek and stylish designs to durable and reliable builds, Cooler Master has you covered. So what are you waiting for? So let's get started with the list. List number 1. Cooler Master MasterBox Q300L Micro-ATX Tower. The MasterBox Q300L is one of the first cases to feature a magnetic filter on the front, allowing you to clean up your system, thanks to an open, perforated top and bottom. Dust and debris are released into the air as they should be, so you don't need to remove your components or open up the case to clean it. The slim form factor of this case means you can fit your motherboard into a small area, making it perfect for cable management. In addition, this mid-tower case supports all modern components including X99 and has a volume of 11L. The case is made with the highly rigid one-piece aluminum frame and large side panels, creating an impressive sense of stability. The use of front and rear magnetic dust filters ensures high air performance, while the top panel has a transparent base to display the hardware inside. The USB ports are also conveniently organized in a separate compartment, so you can enjoy more time building your system. Due to the cube design of the frame and special pattern design on the magnetic dust filter will make the chassis stand out from the rest. List number 2. Cooler Master MasterBox ARGB ATX Mid-Tower Case. The MasterBox MB520 RGB is a stylish and spacious computer case designed for high-performance computing. Its sleek, architectural design offers users a full view of their components while maintaining comfort even in long-term use. The MB520 RGB comes with 3 pre-installed ARG fans to provide better cooling during demanding scenarios beyond the PC environment. With its unique design, ample storage options, and space for customizing your build, you'll feel an instant level of satisfaction when using this case. The MasterBox MB520 RGB is a mid-tower case equipped with a 5-fan pre-installed cooling system and features an arc lighting system that can be managed by the built-in controller or motherboard. The front panel provides substantial shade light through dark mirror, adding sharper contrast between the intake fans and chassis panel. The front mesh ventilation works collectively with the top and rear ventilation to optimize airflow, with support for up to 7 fans in front, top, and rear liquid cooling components. There's a high potential for both air-cooled and liquid-cooled builds. List number 3. Cooler Master MasterBox TD500 Mesh White Airflow ATX. The MasterBox TD500 Mesh White features the all-new MasterBox Mesh front panel, delivering a clean aesthetic and increasing airflow through the top panel of your case. You don't even have to open it. Polygonal mesh features a 3-dimensional contour and is also capable of simultaneously providing high airflow and dust filtration. The MasterBox TD500 Mesh ATX PC chassis turns high airflow performance into an art form with a geometric 3-dimensional mesh front panel and a tempered glass side panel plausibly cut from crystal ore. The matte black exterior of this mid-tower chassis is accented by polygonal mesh panels that come in an option of 5 colors: red, green, orange, blue, and yellow. Airflow is provided by 3 included addressable RGB fans and a dust filter at the front panel, with dust filtration achievable in both vertical and horizontal positions. A crystalline tempered glass side panel dons a crystalline design, precision engineered for strength as well as aesthetics. List number 4. Cooler Master MasterCase H500 ARG. The H500 ARG is an enthusiast grade 5.25 CNC milled and ultra-slim ATX mid-tower chassis with integrated front mesh panel, support for up to 18 drive bays, and liquid cooling ready. The innovative design of the H500 ARG integrates the powerful RGB LED front fans under the front panel to provide a crystal clear view of the build, while also adding shock absorption during installation using the included motherboard brackets. The pre-installed ARG fans can be managed by either the motherboard or an included controller, connected by the included splitter, to create a comprehensive ARG lighting system. Gaming hardware, custom loop cooling, and the pure pride of the builder is shown in panoramic view through an edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel. Support for up to a 410 GPU, a 167 CPU cooler, and up to a 306 DIMM radiators, providing room for upgrades to stay ahead of the game. Gaming hardware, custom loop cooling, and the pure pride of the builder is shown in panoramic view through an edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel. List number 5. Cooler Master MasterBox MB511 ATX Mid-Tower. The MB511ATX mid-tower case is a great choice for those who want to build systems with advanced cooling capabilities. This case has a huge front panel and aggressive intakes on each side to maximize airflow, and can support up to 6 120mm fans. The edge-to-edge transparent side panel showcases your build through 2 large side windows, letting you show off all of your components on any shelf. A quick installation guide comes in the box along with the case and all tools needed for installation. The MasterBox MB511 is perfect for any enthusiast who craves high-performance air cooling and wants to show it off. The front panel's mesh allows for efficient airflow, while an aggressive intake on each side pays tribute to high-performance cars. With support for 6 120mm fans in front, top and rear radiator placement ensures that you don't have to compromise on performance. 2 120mm or 2 140mm fans and supports a 120mm or 240mm radiator, all to ensure you don't have to compromise on performance. 3 120mm or 2 140mm fans and up to a 360mm radiator with a maximum thickness of 50mm without fans.